Home remedies for swollen feet. Do you know anyone who suffers from swollen feet? Swollen feet is not a problem itself but points to a deeper issue. This usually happens when there's a buildup of fluid in the tissue making them swell. This is known as edema. There are many reasons for swelling feet, such as being overweight, standing or sitting for too long, aging, pregnancy, premenstrual syndrome, PMS, lack of nutrients or physical exercise and poor blood circulation. A surgery or injury of the leg, ankle or foot can also lead to swelling, and people with diabetes, heart problems, liver or kidney disease, and pregnant women are more likely to have this problem. As the swelling gets worse, it gets more uncomfortable and it may become hard to walk or stand. It can also get more painful and the feet may be red looking. For a cure, here are some things you can try at home to bring the swelling down. 1. Contrast hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy is therapy using water to lessen pain and discomfort. For this type of hydrotherapy, you will use both warm and cold water. The warm water will help the blood flow, and the cold water will bring down the swelling in your feet. How do you do this? 1. Fill 2 foot tubs with water, one with cold water and the other with warm. To soak your feet, first in the warm water for 3 to 4 minutes. 3. Put your feet straight into the cold water for about 1 minute for continued switching between the two for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Do a few times a day until the swelling is down. To massage. One of the best cures for swollen feet is a foot massage. This helps aching muscles and gets the blood flowing. It also helps extra fluid drain to bring down the swelling. 1. Rub some warm mustard oil or olive oil on the swollen area to gently massage the area for 5 minutes in an upward direction. Make sure not to massage the area too hard. 3. Do this a few times a day. It is best to massage your feet during or after taking a bath. 3. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can bring down swelling very fast while soothing pain. This is because it has magnesium sulfate, which can be soaked up by the skin to help the blood flow and bring down the swelling. It also helps sore, tired muscles and can kill foot odor. 1. Fill a foot tub with warm water and mix in a half a cup of Epsom salt to soak your feet in it for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Do up to 3 times a week for ginger. Since ginger is a natural diuretic, it brings down the amount of water in the body and helps treat swollen feet. This is because it lessens the sodium in the body, which is a big cause of swelling. Massage swollen feet with ginger oil a few times a day. You can also raw ginger slices or drink 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea. 5. Dandelion. Dandelion is a great cure for swollen feet. It helps the body absorb extra fluids because of its diuretic quality. It also helps keep track of the sodium level in the body. Mix 1 teaspoon of fresh or dried dandelion leaves with 1 cup of hot water. Cover it and let it soak for 5 minutes before straining it. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day. You can also take dandelion tincture or supplements, but make sure to ask the doctor before you do. 6. Exercise. Exercising often is important to stop your feet from swelling. Exercise helps blood flow and stops blood from building up in your lower limbs. Some good ideas are swimming. Swimming is one of the best exercises you can do to bring down swelling and soothe the pain. Walking or jogging for 30 minutes at least 5 days a week. Leg strengthening and stretching exercises. Doing yoga every day to help blood flow. 7. Magnesium. If your body is missing magnesium, that may cause swelling in the feet due to edema. Make sure to eat foods that are full of magnesium to help fight this problem. Some foods that have magnesium are dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, soybeans, avocado, bananas and dark chocolate. You can take magnesium supplements but not Before asking your doctor, here are some other tips to cure swollen feet. Elevate your legs so that they are higher than the level of your heart. Limit the amount of salt and caffeine you have because they cause feet to swell. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables instead of canned goods which have added salt for storage. Drink lots of water to keep your body hydrated and clean out bad bacteria. Avoid sitting for long hours instead. Take breaks and walk around a bit when taking long trips in a car, bus, train, or plane. Think about wearing compression stockings to stop feet from swelling. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.